How to fix user not logged in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the issue of a user not being logged in Among Us. It's a simple process, so follow my steps carefully. Firstly, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the process is same. Swipe right to access the Notifications app where you can view various informations including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. To address the issue, try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data connections. If the problem persists, consider restarting both your Wi-Fi router and smartphone. Additionally, you can open the Play Store or the App Store to locate Among Us. Search for Among Us in the search bar, click on the app, and visit the official page to check for updates. If the issue persists, access your device settings app, search for Among Us, and navigate to the app section to view information about Among Us. By clearing data or cache in the storage settings, you may be able to resolve the problem. This method should help you fix the issue of a user not being logged in Among Us. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.